Hi friends, welcome to our channel Cute Little Ideas. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the notification button. Today we'll be seeing how we can reuse old bangles. For this, we need some old bangles, 3 pencils and some woolen thread. Let's get started. Divide your bangles into 3 equal groups. Now stick the bangles using Fevicol. Do the same for the other 2 sets. Let them dry completely. The bangles are ready. Now take a waste cardboard and draw a circle around the bangle. Cut it out. We have cut 3 circular pieces. We also stuck white paper to both sides. Now we are going to wind the woolen thread around the bangle. I have wound some thread around this bottle cap so that taking it around the bangle would be easier. Let's start winding. Use glue at the starting and the ending alone. Wind the thread around the pencil the same way. Ta-da! 3 pencils, 3 bangles and 3 circular pieces are ready. You can pick colors as you wish. Let's start assembling. Now we are going to stick the circular piece to the base of the bangle. Do the same for the other 2. Stick the pencil to the bangle using glue gun like this. To cover this step, we'll add a drop of glue gun. Once it dries, we'll apply nail polish over it. It has dried now. Now, let's stick few stones around it to decorate it a little bit. Our stand is ready. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, leave your valuable comments below. Thanks for watching.